So prior to starting the program, I had just graduated from the university for a master's degree, the global financial trading. So it was kind of like a finance-based course that was focusing mostly on the markets. So that was a good foundation for me to just sort of like transition to Alphachain. Okay, so I was looking online to find, for example, a proprietor trading firm because I was just looking to focus on trading, and I found Alphachain, and I've seen that you offer also the trading programs, and I thought of joining Alphachain because I wanted to learn a little bit more because I wasn't 100% sure in my abilities to start trading with a funded account. So it was the perfect opportunity for me to just pull the trigger and start with you in that time. Yeah, it's great. It's fantastic. You can answer the you can you can ask questions and you have your question answers, and it's absolutely amazing. I mean, it's for someone like me who is new to trading, it's completely like a life-changing experience. You can learn so much more from the mentors, and you can apply stuff in your trading, and this is like the best thing ever. So I chose a strategy to a short-term strategy, which was focusing on Bollinger Bands and RSIs, and it went very well. But when I started trading with a live account, I've made some changes. The strategy is focusing on the short-term time frame, on the 5 minutes, but I'm using the higher time frames for my analysis, like daily, 4 hours, and 1 hour. And I'm opening my positions in the 5 minutes, and I like to focus mostly on shorts and reversals. It was at the very beginning, it was stressful. When I got the email from Garden that it's my fund account was ready, I felt very stressful and had anxiety because I didn't like the idea of losing that money that was within the account. But then it started to get better and better and better, and also the mentor recommended me to just close the terminal window because I was paying attention to the dollar value going up and down at the time. So after closing the terminal window, I realized that there's nothing but just another, like it's like the demo account pretty much. There's nothing to be stressful about, and I'm focusing on my strategy. I'm perfecting my strategy day by day, so there is nothing to worry about as long as you follow your trade plan strategy. Definitely continue with Alphachain, and definitely want to. I'm currently in the incubation phase 1, so I'm going to finish the phase 1 of incubation by the end of the year, and spend January finishing the phase 2, and continue to get at the first target, which is the 10%, making the $1,000 and continue on. Yeah, for sure. It's the best thing to ever happen to me. I've learned I've learned so much more from the mentors, from the training program, and in general, it was kind of like not everything I expected, and even more. So for everyone who's looking to join a proprietary training firm, I think unfortunately it's a very, very good choice. More than just, there are different assets to trade. There's crypto, there is Forex, so there's everything for everyone, and there is even the algo trading, which is kind of very interesting to me, which I'm also considering of joining later on in my career.